Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video, I'll be talking about few body care products that I've been really liking. A fun fact about me is that I've never used to invest in body care products. Like I've always invested in skincare, makeup, clothing, accessories and whatnot. But I've never been somebody who likes to, experiment with different body care products. But I don't know what has gotten into me. Since probably 2 months or a while, I've been, doing my research and trying various products, and few of them I've been really liking, and those are the products I'm going to show you guys in this video today. And I won't be showing a lot of products because this is something I've recently started. I'm just going to show you probably 6 to 7 products, or maybe plus minus one or two, and the products I genuinely like, and I feel that you guys should also give them a try, and I feel that if you guys try these products, even you'll like it. So without further ado, I'm just gonna start showing you guys all the products I have for today. Okay guys, so the first product I want to talk about is this liquid soap from L'Occitane. This is how the bottle looks like. You can see I've used more than half of the bottle, and it's a very big bottle. So basically this liquid soap consists of shea butter, which makes it very moisturizing. Secondly, it also has palm oil and vegetable oils, and something very fascinating about this product is that the brand uses what do you say, the traditional way of making soap, like the way it was used in Provence back then, which really fascinated me because I read about the brand and how like the backstory of the product. And it has a very fresh scent, and I really like using this soap. It is not very harsh. It is very lightweight and very makes me feel very fresh at the same time. So this is a liquid soap I'm really liking. Isme I checked out, rather than going for the bottle, like they have fillers also. So it costs about 2000 rupees. It's a big filler that comes, so if I want to purchase another one, I'm just gonna go for the filler and refill this bottle. Okay guys, so the next product I want to talk about is this body butter from Plum Body Loving, and the fragrance is Vanilla Vibes. I love this body butter. Something that is really amazing about this body butter is that it is so hydrating and moisturizing, yet not at all sticky. So it does its job pretty well. I've seen so many moisturizers, they're very hydrating, but they make you feel very sticky and more chipchipa, which I don't like. Secondly, I love the fragrance of this product. Actually makes you smell like mouth-watering cupcakes. It literally smells like cupcakes. I love the smell of this body butter. This is one product that I definitely will get another bottle of. Okay guys, so the next product I want to talk about is this Kama Ayurveda's Rose Lip Care Lip Balm. It's made with organic beeswax. So this is how it looks from outside. Because of I'll just adjust the lighting. Yeah, this is how it looks from outside, and I'm just going to show you the inner packaging. It's a tiny round bottle. So this is how it is from inside. This is the bottle. So this lip balm consists of organic beeswax. So when you open it, when I touched it for the first time, I felt that there's sugar in it, but probably that is beeswax. You can actually feel it. And the lovely thing about this lip balm is that it actually smells like rose petals. It has a beautiful fragrance, and again it is very moisturizing, very hydrating, and helps you get rid of all your chapped lips. So I'm really liking this lip balm. Okay guys, so the next product I want to talk about is this Kama Ayurveda's hand cream. It has pure essential oils and tuberose, vetiver and cardamom. So this is the outer packaging of the bottle, and I'll show you how it looks from inside. This is how the bottle looks from inside. It has a very luxury packaging. This is my second bottle of this hand cream. To be honest, I was using Nykaa's hand cream first, and I really liked it. It was obviously more affordable than this. But since the time I've started using Kama Ayurveda, it has a very fresh and flowery fragrance. And it's not too cherry flowery, but it has a very freshly rich fragrance, and it moisturizes my hands deeply. I'm not opening this bottle like I'm using Telly bottle ka thoda sa bacha hai. I'm going to get over with that first and then start using this one. I really like this hand cream. It retails for just a second, I'll tell you. It retails for rupees 725, which is a bit pricey for a hand cream. But again, I really like products of Kama Ayurveda, and I know that they are a bit pricey, but I choose quality over quantity. So I really believe that sometimes you need to invest in some products, because yeah, they are a bit expensive, but then they give a better outcome and a better result. So yeah, I really like this hand cream. Okay, so the next two products are two hair care products that I want to talk about. The reason I'm including hair care, these two products in this video, is because I don't think I'm gonna make a special video for hair care products anytime soon. So these are Vella's. I recently got my hair colored, so they are both hair protecting shampoos, color protecting shampoos. It's their Invigo Color Brilliance with Lime Caviar. This is Vella's shampoo, and this is their color mask. Oh my god, I'm in love with these two products. So being honest, I've tried lots and lots and lots of shampoos and conditioners and hair masks, and I've never liked any. Like, I've used L'Oreal Professional, I've used Kerastase, I've used whatnot, and I've never liked anything. Like, I use it and then I try something new and I like it for a temporary time, then I hop onto something new. And my mom randomly got these because we got our hair color. Like, me, my mom, my sister, we all got our hair colored recently, and she went and she randomly got these two products. I love this shampoo. Like, I don't know what is there. Like, it I have curly hair, so it makes it is protecting my color really nicely, but at the same time it makes my hair very, they're so fresh and wavy, and like, I love it. It does not, I don't know what is there about these two products. I love them. Like, my hair, they feel so good after one wash. Like, like, I was shocked, honestly. I noticed the change in one wash. Like, I could feel that I've used something good on my hair, that they feel so fresh and blooming and glowing and really wavy and nice and amazing. Abhi to like, I'm shooting in lightning, like it's night time, but do see my Diwali vlog, like the starting part of that video. I had just washed my hair and I was loving how my color is looking, how fresh and natural my hair were looking. So I'm in love with these two products. The next product I want to talk about is this Bath and Body Works Black Cherry Merlot Luxury Hand Soap. This is how the hand soap looks. So, this hand soap is really different from the other hand soaps I've used. I recently, in the things I've been loving since a while, in that video also I showed you guys this hand wash, and tabna I recently got it. So, tabna bilkul bhara hua tha. I just, used it twice or 2 to 3 times, and now you can see that, it's like, almost half over. So, this hand wash is really different from the other hand washes I've ever used. Obviously, price point of view, it's for rupees 699, which is 700 rupees. And I've always used, normal hand washes like Dettol, Savlon, and Yesara, because I know that, they get rid of all the germs. But I've seen this is the first hand wash that I've seen that actually hydrates and moisturizes my hands. It actually smells like black cherries and black raspberries. I love the fragrance, and it comes in a variety of fragrances, so you can try whichever you like. But this is something, it has a very luxe packaging, so it really goes well with my sink also. And there's something really different about this hand, so I'll definitely recommend you guys to give it a try. Okay guys, so the last product for today's video and the showstopper is this Hermes perfume. It's their Jour de Hermes Absolute. So this is the outer packaging of the perfume. It has a very luxury packaging. I'm just going to zoom it a bit because of the light, and I'm just going to show you the perfume from inside. I recently got this bottle. Just look at the packaging. It has a very sexy and classy, a very luxury detailing over here, and the packaging is insane. I love it. And guys, like, I've always told you that I did not like this perfume. I don't like this fragrance, and I still started liking it. And like, I've tried so many fragrances, but I've never found my fragrance, like the type of perfumes I like. But oh my god, this fragrance is so rich and luxury, and it is so luxurious, and it is so strong. Like, I'm not somebody who likes typical feminine perfumes, like jo aate hain na, like which are a bit sweet, a bit strong, or maybe on the sweeter side. I am somebody who mostly sometimes goes with men's fragrances, because that is where I end up finding my taste. And like, I've always been somebody that, why don't, they get such fragrances for ladies as well. I just don't understand that. But this perfume is too good. Like, it is not at all on the sweet side. It has such a luxurious and strong fragrance at the same time. I mean, it's sexy, something you can, like, you go to a party with this perfume, you can go for a lunch with this perfume, and it has that strong scent, and it has that taste of luxury, and it is so rich and strong. I love this perfume. I don't know if they have a bigger size in this perfume, but once I'm done with this bottle, I'm definitely going to get another bottle or a bigger size. I love this perfume, and it is just a fragrance that like I've been finding, like you have that fragrance in your mind that this is the type of perfume you want, but you don't find it. So this is that perfume, and I love it, and just obsessed with this perfume right now. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, do like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.